How to fix broken phone screen, recover your data fast. So if you've broken your phone screen and if you want to recover your data fast, then this is the way. First, you need to connect your broken Android to your PC using a reliable data cable. Make sure the cable supports both charging and data transfer. Some cheap cables only charge the device and won't work for this method. Now, on your computer, open up your web browser and search for SCR-CPY GitHub. You should see the official GitHub page as the first result. Click on it. Once you're on page, scroll down until you find the section for the latest release, which is right here. Click on that link to open the downloads. Here, you'll see different versions of different operating systems, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Download the version that matches your computer's operating system. If you're on Windows, make sure to choose the correct one for your setup. After the file finishes downloading, locate in your downloads folder. You'll have the downloads folder right here on your file manager. Locate it right here and then extract it using any extraction tool like WinRAR or the built-in Windows extractor. Once extracted, copy the entire folder, go to your C drive and paste the extracted folder right here. After that, open the folder that you've just pasted and look for a file named scrcpy console.bat. That file will run the program. You can double click on it and you'll see a terminal open window. Give it a few seconds to internalize. If your phone is connected properly and USB debugging is enabled, your phone screen should now appear on your computer. From there, you can fully control your phone using your mouse and your keyboard, just like you would on your phone itself. You can open up your apps, browse your gallery, back up your files, and even transfer important documents to your PC. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.